Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, we are going to do a full coverage, dramatic, soft, simple, bombshell makeup look. So yeah, let's just get right into it. So to start, I'm going to moisturize my face, and for that I'm going to use the Clinique Dramatically Different Moisturizing Gel. This stuff is my fave, but if you have oily skin, this product is amazing. Now to prime the skin, I'm going to go in with my Becca First Light Priming Filter. I went through so many bottles of this stuff, but I stopped using it as summer started to become over. And let me tell you, this stuff makes you look so glowy. It's great. And it smells so good too. And this just makes your skin just so plumped and glowy and goodness. We're gonna go in with another glowing product. I know, another one. This one is the Becca Shimmering Skin Perfector Liquid. I'm only gonna take a tiny bit of this because I'm already pretty glowy. I'm gonna take about this much and I'm gonna apply that on the high points of my face. Here, here. This might be way too much. Here. And yeah, oh well, we're just gonna put it everywhere. I have way too much on my hands, so hopefully this turns out good, since now I look like a greasy monkey. Girl, you was glowy. It was glowy. So for foundation, I'm a little torn. I don't know if I want to use my Fenty or if I want to use my NYX Total Coverage Foundation Drop. Been loving these guys lately. This is more. Use them both. We're gonna use them both. It's full coverage, so gotta go big or go home, right? Alright, so I'm gonna take. I have nothing to mix this on. I do this all the time. I don't bring anything to mix it. This is so unsanitary, but this is gonna have to do. So I'm gonna mix, take 2 pumps of that, of the Fenty. Then I'm gonna take like a drop of the Total Coverage, which is like a couple shades darker, but that's cool. I'm gonna mix it all in together. Apply that to the skin. This is not enough, so I'm gonna go in with 2 more pumps of the Fenty, 1 more pump of the NYX, well, 2 more pumps of the NYX. That was not enough whatsoever. Make sure to drag it down your neck. I'm gonna go in with my beauty blender and blend all of that in. These 2 together aren't too bad, not too shabby. I'm thinking I'm gonna do smoky for my face, for my face. For my eyes, I think I'm gonna do smoky. So now we are going to highlight the face. And for that, I'm going to take my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. This is in the shade Medium. Really need to find a different concealer to use, but this one works. By the way, all of that glowiness we put on, looking pretty nice. Just going to blend that out. Kind of drag it up a little bit, corner of your eye. Now to contour, I'm actually going to take a foundation. This is the L'Oreal Infallible Pro Glow in 210. This is typically my shade during the summer. Pick that up. I think this should be dark enough. No, not working. Alright, so now I'm going to go to Plan B and just take my ABH Contour Kit. This is in Medium. It's a little beat up, but I'm going to probably go in with this shade right here. Little lines right here, and I'm going to blend it up. I think I'm just going to do one side, and then I'll go from there. So I'm going to take the bottom of my sponge and try to blend that out. Okay, So now I'm just gonna go ahead and do the other side. That blended nicely. Do the same thing. Going to contour the forehead right here and part of my nose. Probably should have used a smaller brush for my nose, but oh well, this will do. Now we're gonna set under the eyes, and for that I'm just gonna take my Colorpop X translucent setting powder. This is in light. I'm gonna use that to set underneath my eyes, and then I'm gonna use a different powder to set the face. Just gonna grab a mirror and then set all of that. My chin. Anywhere I've highlighted, I'll go over with this powder. I am going to take a bigger powder brush, and I'm going to take the LA Girl Pro setting powder. This is in banana yellow, and I'll use this to set the rest of my face. So now I'm just going to go ahead and set the face using the Mario Badescu Rose Water Spray. Alright, so now we're just going to go ahead and move on to the eyes. So for that, I'm just going to take the Morphe X Jaclyn Hill eyeshadow palette, take a Morphe M533. These are my favorite crease brushes right now, and I'm going to pick up on this shade right here in the palette. I'm just going to take a clean blending brush and blend out all of the edges. Now I'm going to take even more defined brush. This is a Lexi 205 tapered blending brush. I'm going to take this shade right here in the palette. And I'm going to keep this very low. Not going to take it up too high. So now moving on, I'm going to take a flat shader brush, if I can find one. I'm going to go in with this purpley brownish shade right here. I think I want to go for like a taupey, purple, smoky, black, not really sure, but something in that range. And I'm going to take this and I'm going to press this on the lid. Be very careful if you've done your face first so you don't get any fallout. Alright, so now I'm going back in with that second shade we used, and I'm going to slightly blend that out. It looks more brown on camera than it is, but it's actually like a purple shade. It's really pretty. Now to deepen that up a little bit, I'm going to now apply this deep purple shade right here in the palette. I'm just gonna deepen that purple a tad. I'm going to take an even more detailed brush. This is the Lexi 237 blending brush, and this is where I'm going to take that black shade in the eyeshadow palette and that throughout the crease. Okay, so now I'm going to take the ABH Prism palette, and I'm going to take this purple shade right here, and I'm going to apply that all over the lid. Like, swatch it for you. Super pretty. My camera isn't picking up how pretty this color really is. Alright, so now that that's on there, take another pencil brush. This is actually a lip brush from BH. This is brush number 10. And I'm going to go in with Dimension here. This color is so pretty. And then for the inner corner highlight, I'm going to take the shade Lucid. I think this just turned into like a night out. Not so much Valentine's Day, but now that that's done, I'm going to go apply some Koko lashes and Queen Bee, and then I will be right back. Okay, so I thought I was filming and I actually wasn't. So I just finished up the bottom lash line using the exact same eyeshadows in the exact same order as I did on the top, and then lowered my waterline with NYX Professional Fox Whites eyeliner. This is in Linen, and I use this for my waterline. Moving on to blush, I'm just going to use my BH 10 Professional Blush Palette, and I'm going to keep it peachy. So I'm going to go ahead and take this pink shade right here. Now we're going to move on to highlighter, and I'm going to take an oldie but a goodie. This is the MAC Soft and Gentle highlighter. Mine's broken, but we're going to use it anyways. So pretty. Be glowing on Valentine's Day, you guys. Chin. Now for lips, I'm going to go in with Colorpop's Chai. Tinted lip balm. I need to get a mirror for this. And then that's it. I hope you guys like this makeup look. Until next time, I will catch you in my next video. Bye guys.